Hey guys! Welcome to Polish Your English with Pau. My name is Paulina, and in this grammar video we're going to learn how to use reported speech at B1 level. We often have to report what people have said. When we do this, we need to consider various things. In this video, we will look at tense change in reported speech, changing pronouns in reported speech, changes with time and place words, and finally, reported questions and word order. Are you ready? In reported speech, the main verb usually moves back one tense in the past. Look at these examples and work out what tense is being used in the bold sections. Now look at the direct speech for each example. What tenses are used now? Notice how the tenses change from direct to reported speech. Present simple changes into past simple, present continuous into past continuous, can into could, will into would, and be going to changes to was going to or were going to. Think of these changes as one step back in time. And look at the timeline. Present simple changes into past simple, and past simple changes into past perfect. Will changes into would, can into could. Let's consider pronoun change. Often, it is necessary to change the pronouns and possessive adjectives in reported speech so that we know exactly who is being referred to. Look at the conversation above. Now it's time to look at time and place word changes. Look at these examples you saw earlier. Look at the time and place words in bold. Can you remember what these words were in direct speech? We often need to change the time words when we report direct speech, as we don't know exactly when the person was referring to when they made the statement. When the reporting verbs say and tell are in the present, for example, he says, the verb tenses and time words when reported do not change. He says he will call us. She says she has an appointment today. Now it's time to look at reporting questions. Look at the direct questions in green and the reported questions in purple, and complete the gaps in word order of reported questions in the table with these words: if, whether, question words. I think that was easy, wasn't it? The tenses and time words change in the same way as the statements. Notice how the word order here is like a positive sentence. There is no auxiliary verb, do or does. So now, let's practice. Change the direct speech into reported speech. Let's do the first one together. Sophie asked, "What time is the party tonight?" All right. So we will start with Sophie asked, "What time?" We keep the WH question word. The party now is, that's present simple, changes into past simple, so was tonight, that night. Sophie asked or asked me what time the party was that night. Alright, as you see, we can add me here. What time, question word, remains in the same place. The party was tonight, subject, verb. And here we've got the time expression. Now how about number 2? Francine asked me, "Does Tom write books for a living?" Francine asked me, and this is a yes or no question, so we need if or whether. If Tom, this is present simple, right? So we need past simple, wrote books for a living. Francine asked me if Tom wrote books for a living. Now, if you would like to think about sentences 3, 4, 5, and 6, I'll stop for 10 seconds and then I'll show you answers. So if you want to do it on your own, please pause the video now. And now it's time to check your answers. So in number 3, James said Mark was moving house the following Friday. Robert said Tina could give me the book the following day. Letitia and John said they would tidy up. Larry asked what time the flight was leaving the following week. And that's everything for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments or you can ask me in class. If you like this video, if you think it will help you, you can leave me a nice comment and thumbs up. And if you need more information, you can read the grammar section at the end of your book. I'll see you in class. Bye!